Hi Raymond, it's Miss O'Connor. I was just grading your week 5 work and I noticed that you took pictures again and hand wrote them. And I know you're using a Chromebook, so I want to make sure you understand how to, I hope you can still see my screen, how to get a Word document with a Chromebook. So if you go to Outlook.com, you sign in with your Mildred Ellie email address. And then if you go, there's something called Office 360. So it'll allow you to get a Microsoft Word document. All I did there was I clicked on the little waffle, the 9 little squares right here in the top. Clicked on it. I went to Word because I want to be able to type my answers. And then you want to choose a blank document. And then you can just start typing the answers to the questions. So you don't have to write them out and then upload a JPEG. Super easy. And then there's a couple of different options. So you could just do a save as or a share. I'm totally fine if you want to share it with people. And then you would share, it says invite people. You can give me my email address. Or if you'd like to upload it through Moodle, you would save it and then you would download as a PDF or download a copy, whatever you want to do. Sorry, my son's walking up right now. Either way, but this will give you a way to edit and type your questions to your answers. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. All right, I'll talk to you later.